another salsa intermediate move for you.
My name is Hervin.
And I'm Juana.
And we're from Salsa Ninja. If you like this video, subscribe down below. Enjoy it. See you guys soon. Hey guys, what's going on? This move is called the coconut here at Salsa Ninja, so let's jump right into it. First thing we're gonna do is do a basic step, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna catch her for the leader, 6, 7. Girls, bring that hand up. Then we do a crossbody lead with a hook turn, 1, 2, 3, and an open break, 6, 7. Now for both of you, remember to keep your steps small. I'm gonna ask for the hand on top, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and that is a Titanic move. Girls, when you do the Titanic, remember to cross the foot over on 2, keeping your elbows close to you. You're gonna keep the elbows in and in front of you, because when you go around in a Titanic, some people, let's do it facing this way so they can see, some people open up their hands wide, which is dangerous for the shoulders, so make sure to keep the hands in, okay? 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, crossbody lead hook turn. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. From here, I'm going to give her a left travel turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now I want you to see what I do here in the left travel turn for you, for the leaders, to make it easier on them. I'm going to open up the hands, 1, 2, as I step my crossbody lead footwork, 1, 2, and notice how I don't make her walk forward like this. I make her stand, 1, 2, and twist slightly. I'm going to let go of the right arm and move it to the back and help her turn just very, very slightly. 2, 3, and then for me, a right turn to finish it off, keeping my hand palm up at the shoulder level. 5, 6, 7, which is how I get into the close position, and we go into the crossbody lead. 5, 6, 7. I'll do it again from the left travel turn. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Crossbody lead. 5, 6, 7. Oh, one last step for you, for the women. When you do this left travel turn, so he lets go of your hand and then you punch in. Punch in through the left travel turn is going to help you gain a little bit of momentum. It's going to make the turn easier, okay? The whole thing from the top, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Crossbody lead hook turn. 5, back break Titanic. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Left travel turn. Girls punch in. Guys right turn. 6, 7. Crossbody lead. And 5, 6, 7. All right, guys. So that's the coconut. Enjoy it. Now let's do it with music. Hey guys, well done for making it all the way to the end of the video. Awesome job.
If you like this video, please subscribe. See you on the next one.
Boom.